How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to talk about Solana. Now, I am trying this out. This is a little bit different. I'm outside right now, but I wanted to bring a short video here. I just covered Solana a little bit in a longer video, but I want to see if you guys would prefer me to do maybe short videos, a couple of them on different cryptocurrencies instead of one longer video. So I want to talk about Solana and why what happened yesterday might actually be bullish for Solana. Now, if you don't know what happened, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about the hack or the bots and then the network collapsing. We're going to talk about price action and whether it makes sense to buy Solana now. And I'm not going to keep you here for a long time. If you guys want, you can check out the link down below to Voyager to get an interest rate on your cryptocurrencies. And actually, you can buy Solana on Voyager. So what happened yesterday? Well, Solana was attacked. Now, they were not the only cryptocurrency to be attacked yesterday. Actually, we saw it with Ethereum. We saw it with another blockchain too. And what happened was bots started to flood Solana's system. They had about 400,000 transactions per second at one point, which crashed the network. With Solana, you can run a lot of transactions. They're supposed to run about 65,000 transactions compared to Ethereum's 15, compared to Cardano's 250, compared to Polkadot's 1,000. And with this, you would pay very small fees. You're supposed to pay less than a cent in fees. And what happens is this makes it very susceptible for bots. I mean, if you are looking at trying to overrun Ethereum, no one wants to overrun Ethereum when you have to pay $100 transaction fees. But with Solana, you can do that, and it crashed the network. So basically, they were down for right around 7 hours. They were crashed, and this means a couple different things. What this means is it kind of looked bad for Solana, but also you realize that they were running 400,000 transactions per second to crash them. This is actually about 6x higher than what they were supposed to be able to run. Now, you can take this, like I said, in a bearish way because, hey, they crashed and they were down for hours. But Ethereum did that early days. Also, they ran a ton of transactions and they're fixing it now. They were able to get up and running. So this could almost be thought of in a positive light too. It showed really what Solana can do if they're tested. Now, is it time to buy Solana right now? I think that's the question a lot of people wonder because it is down. It's down to about $160 from their $210 max. It's up from about $22 less than 3 months ago. It's come up, and even now it's 8x'd. After yesterday, it actually fell down to about $142. And it has rebounded a little bit, like I said, up to 162. So is it the time to buy now? Well, we have seen support a couple times around $140, $145. We haven't really been around this level though for a long time. Since last month, we are up a significant amount. I mean, if you go a couple weeks back, our volume was in the $1 to $2 billion range. Now, at the peak, it was up at 17 billion. So what it shows is a lot of people are interested in Solana and interested in other blockchains and other cryptocurrencies besides just buying Ethereum. And we did see a golden cross on Bitcoin recently, which is really bullish for all of cryptocurrency. I think now, if you were looking at buying Solana, it's not a terrible time to buy. When you consider the fact that it is down about 30% from its highs, 20%, 30% from its highs, it's not the worst time to buy Solana. Now, you have to look long-term because remember, we are up from $22 a few months ago. But again, this showed what Solana can actually do. And if you look at the future of NFTs, you realize that, hey, if you want to buy a $5 NFT, you're not going to be able to do that on Ethereum. The fees are much too high. So Solana is one of the leaders that can actually help provide NFTs to the general public. So right now, it is interesting to take a look at Solana. We have seen some support, and if we get more bullish momentum in cryptocurrency, it might take a little while for Solana to really gain back the momentum that it had before because every crypto has its day, and this probably put a black eye on Solana, but long term, it is a good solution, and it is a good project and product for the masses. So let me know what you guys think about Solana down below. Let me know if you're buying it at these levels or whether you're going to look into it into the future if it falls a little bit more. Again, thank you. You can check out Voyager down below to get an interest rate on your cryptos. And let me know what you think about this video, the shorter format. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.